Here we are sailing up toward the end of Dundas Island.
Yeah, salmon for dinner. Quite the hair-raising experience.
We start this episode out by sailing out of Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. We have a great sail up to Brundig Inlet on Dundas Island, where we hang for a day. When we leave there, we go fishing for a while and end up anchoring in Goose Bay for the night.
Here we are sailing up toward the end of Dundas Island with Alaska in the background. We're running dead downwind, trying to get around this little island. Here we are up in Dundas Island. It's the last island in Canada. We've anchored here for a day. We're going to head over and go to Ketchikan when we leave here. Although we might stay and fish for another day, today we just sort of hung out all day. Here we are, bringing a fish in. Oh, that looks like a good size one there.
Yeah, salmon for dinner.
Smile. Hey, guys, smile. Well, we got another fish on. Marty's fighting him, taking a lot of line out.
That evening when we anchor in Goose Bay, we fillet up all the fish we caught for the day. Rod was first up with his salmon. Next up, Marty filleted up his salmon. It was then my turn to fillet up the rockfish that we had caught for the day. After our salmon dinner, I do a little exploring.
There's Goose Bay. I'm at the dock. We're anchored out, of course. Looks like they got a couple barbecues here that you could use. Looks like somebody's made kind of a mess with that barbecue. $30 a night. Well, now there's an interesting toilet. Right into the bay. So I'm in here on the beach at Goose Bay. Oh, bugs all around me. Oh, getting eaten alive. Don't know how long I'll stay in here. Little water running in here. Looks like they have a hose. I wonder if that was used for a water source. If there's anything in the uplands. Hope there's no bears up here. Always got to worry about those. That's why I'm talking to myself. Wow. Look at the bark peeled off that tree. Interesting. You can see people have cut it and stripped it all the way up there. I'm guessing the natives did that for some carvings, because that tree can't be that old. I'm gonna guess some wood carver took all that. Pretty interesting. God, they did it on all kinds of trees around here. Look at this one over here. Same thing. It's like an old stove on the beach. I think it's had better days. Bugs! Out of here! Whew. They're chasing me! Am I away from them? Dang bugs. Well, it was a good day today. Did a little fishing. Quite the hair-raising experience, though. I think I need to wash my hair. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching Salmon Nordic.